Where's Mike?
Right here.
Where?
He's taking a nap. Hey, what's going on?
Dude, what's going on?
Oh, is this Adventure Channel?
This is the Adventure
Hey
Channel,
guys.
yeah.
I haven't really spoken to like 2 million people before, but
2 million.
Hey followers, subscribe. What are we supposed to say?
Smash the like.
Smash the like.
Yeah.
Smash the like.
You're a natural, awesome.
You're gonna find it. You're gonna like it.
You asking me?
Okay, boy.
You asking me, boys?
Dude, you know what? You could take this boat. What's the longest you can rent it for, George?
Full day.
Full day?
Yeah. There's a rod. There's a GoPro rod. It's not like it's.
It's like a handle, like a Billy's.
Check it out. Check it out. Fuck, so good. Esto es pasé. De estos pasan de mis. Cup holder. Motherfucker, guys.
Like I remember seeing it on the board.
Oh, see, this is so smart. If you want to stand, you move it out.
Put it in your bag,
I'm looking at my.
Ella, are you videotaping us?
Yeah, say hi to YouTube. Say hi to the Adventure Channel.
Sup, YouTube. The Adventure Channel.
Capitan.
It's
What's going on?
Lieutenant
Lieutenant who?
Diane.
Damn. So this is our maiden voyage with the Freedom Boat Club. And we've taken out
Is it really? This is the first time you've got to take it apart.
with the boys.
Oh.
So right now at the helm.
Look what those guys. What are those guys doing?
And Jockey, courtesy of Jockey, beautiful farm boy cookies. Thank you.
Anyway, so
Dude, I've had like 10 of
our
them.
first center island. We not exactly what we're going for.
Where's Mike?
Right here.
Where?
He's taking a nap. Hey, what's
Hey
going
dude,
on?
what's going on?
Oh, is this Adventure Channel?
This is the Adventure
Hey
Channel,
guys.
yeah.
I haven't really spoken to like 2 million people before, but
2 million.
Hey followers, subscribe. What are we supposed to say?
Smash the like.
Smash the like.
Yeah.
Smash the like.
You're a natural, awesome. Oh, there it is. CN Tower.
You got a fish?
Well, we actually all joined.
Yeah, that's true. We'll park it over
Oh,
there
should
and
we- jealous.
just sit in here and eat.
Yeah. We don't have to get off.
I know, that's what I mean. Jealous.
Don't worry, I think we've got enough place.
Hey, this is where we parked last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How romantic is that, Georgie? What a perfect day. They messed up. They had a horrible forecast. Stop and shop, 9 degrees. And with like 1.5 foot wave. Look at this.
Hey, stop, turn it off and I'm going to say a joke. Vacation.
That's it.
Let's see how his is all on that
Yeah,
side.
his is all on one side.
Yeah. So that's the his way.
That's
Well, you know
that's
what?
the wrong way to do it.
Is that the wrong way?
I don't know. I really don't know.
I don't know. We're gonna have to YouTube.
Nice ball.
It is. It's called the Jeanneau Runabout.
Is that one of those? Oh no, this is a Chinese video.
I think this is
Jockey, you did Coldplay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Stop it all.
Don't we have a sponsor station? Cold Brew.
Dude, you know that
Compliments of
that guy's sailing into the wind. Isn't that fucking weird?
he's not stealing. He's ordering paint.
Sailing into the wind. It is so weird how you can do that.
Hello. Hello.
slicing through it, basically.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I don't know. Yeah.
Well, he might have a head.
Yeah, watch you pick it up. I'm not gonna say anything.
Can you say anything?
No.
How would the air catch you? Like,
That was my problem. I was like, I don't understand. I was asking that guy Elton, sailing guy. I was like, I don't understand sailing. I go, what if you want to go there, but the wind is going this way?
Okay, fine. Hold on, let me put on my mask.
All right, let's go check out the tennis courts real quick.
Does anybody have any
whose drink is
interest
this, by the way?
Anybody have any
I thought this was mine. I don't know what that is.
George, did you have one? This might be mine.
No, I haven't had it. I have no interest in
we're gonna
sailing.
find
I like
garbage.
power, full power, and control.
Did you take the key, bro?
I did take the key.
Excellent.
Excellente.
So are these people going to the beach?
No, they're coming back from the beach.
Are they coming back from the nude beach?
Yes, they are.
And if you go for
Oh.
And so when
Alright.
people in
all
Toronto
booty.
say they're going to the beach, you know what they're referring to, gentlemen? No, gentlemen. You know what they're referring to when they're saying we're going to the beach?
Why are we going
They
that way,
mean
George?
Center Island.
George, we're
And
going
it's
that
like,
way.
it's like,
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
it is the most beautiful sight. I thought it was in the Caribbean. Nice, white, sandy beaches.
Yes.
Look, the sun is setting. People enjoyed a beautiful day at the beach. Soaked in a lot of vitamin D.
And I'm Mary Rich. And my husband is
COVID has made all our public park benches park over there for the
Oh.
tennis courts.
Dude, I think one of the
Oh, by the way, do we see
in my memory was
a tail fin of an airplane?
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, what do you think is over there?
with like how it's viewed.
Even a water fountain there.
That was one of the funnest nights I've ever had
was that?
in my life. In Mykonos.
Oh, George. You know what? Okay,
And
today you pulled the Mykonos.
No.
George,
No.
how the heck from Scarborough Bluffs do you have a challenge to meet me down
Hey guys.
at the Leslie Spit?
What's up?
And then you call me, you know, this is in a week in advance notice of, you know, decent planning. And you took the day off, calling me that you only have 3% left on your phone.
I was like-
and you need to jump on a GO train to meet us so I can pick you up at York.
I think George likes the challenge.
No, like, what has happened in your life today to cause
George,
that?
you should like drop you in the middle of Algonquin Park, naked and afraid. What's that show?
Naked and afraid, and just see if I can get back.
George, I've no doubt I put my money on you.
Oh, dude, I'll make it back.
Yeah, for sure. Well, let's go back.
Oh wow, look at that.
Huh?
Oh, the planes. The planes.
Was that the ship?
Yeah.
Billy Bishop.
Pop quiz. Who's Billy Bishop?
No clue.
All right.
Well, we've found out who Ryerson was not too long ago.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah, let's see who Pearson
Court
was.
stuff.
There you go, an empty court whenever we want to
Yeah,
join the
check
beach.
it out.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Let's go over there, read that sign real quick, see if we can legit come here and play.
That's a cool tree.
Actually, why don't we go here? It sounds like there's a party.
Does sound like there's.
Frolicking,
This feels like it's
people
like
having
a
fun.
potentially
Oh my
transitioning
God.
into like a
The
Borat scene.
trifactor. Mike. Look at that. They're like a trident.
Guys, that's the nude beach over there. We don't want to go there.
That's not a nude beach.
Yeah, we don't want to go
No,
there.
it's not. The nude beach is up there.
It's right here.
No, this is closing.
How do you know,
This is
George?
where all the boats park on the weekend.
Because I was here.
Oh, were you?
Yeah. And look at the
In his birthday
I
suit.
feel like I'm entering Thailand. Yeah, totally. Right?
That's pretty cool. Beautiful. I would love this.
Like this is what you should have as a nature treatment in your backyard.
Welcome to the Toronto Island sand dunes. Dude, this looks like we're in Cuba. Cuba.
Welcome to the Toronto Island Sand Dunes. Well, I gotta say, I've never been here before, and I lived here all my life. This looks pretty cool. Let's turn this camera around here. There we go. Cheers. All right. Wow. Walking on sand now. I don't know if you guys can hear the music in the background as we approach the beach. It's really nice sand, actually. Wow, it looks nice. Let's turn that around. Not cool.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, probably.
So we're in Cuba and the sun's setting, and we have reservations at La Cascara.
Nice.
La Tortuga.
La Tortuga.
So we're not gonna go to the water, or
Yeah, of course we're gonna go to the water.
let's go all the way to the end.
Yeah, that's true.
Why?
This is beautiful. Oh, this is the clothing optional area.
Clothing mandatory is on the left. It's okay to
Oh, better not.
Look at this thing. Dude,
Tiki taxi.
This is the Tiki Express.
Oh.
The 1347 Tiki taxi. The Tiki Taco taxi. Guardalia. Vedi. No, there's my boy.
All right. So we're heading back.
Somebody waving to you? No.
Just for the video. What time is it?
720.
7:20. There you go. 7:20 in the evening. There's the sun.
In Miami Beach, Toronto. We're in Lauderdale, Toronto.
We went on a nice picnic that George took us on.
Glad you guys enjoyed. You enjoyed my soprasada and a little piece of my little city, our city.
And now he's gonna take us a little tour around the city, harbor. Beautiful. up Toronto. Aren't you going home?
Okay.
Yeah, but you don't have to leave me here.
No, I'm gonna bring you to lunch. Woo! Surfing Lake Ontario! Whoa! Woo! Nice!
Oh my god. That was cool.
Beautiful. How do you like the boat? We could do better next time, right? We'll get the Cobia or we'll get the Zodiac. Oh, the Zodiac is gonna be fast. Boys, Mike,